Hi guys, Roy for Worldwide Farrier Supply with Glue U and Glue Shoe. We're going to talk today about the dental impression material. It's a mix by hand sole support. This is our blue short A15. Then we offer also a pink that is short A25 and a green that is short 40. So the new, if you already use the product, you're gonna notice we changed the lid that sometimes it tend to crack when you got hit by any product in your rig, and also has a security feature that when you purchase, you're gonna have to remove this band in order to be able to access, so you know that you're getting exactly the amount you're buying, that nobody's been tampering with or showing the product and taking pieces of the product out. Here's a sample of the pink. And as you can see here, you have basically a sandwich of the green, the pink, and the blue that they stick together once you mix them and you put them together. So you can do a multi density pad, either front to back, side to side, or on top of each other if you want to get different cushioning. They come in 3-pound containers. Well, it's 1.5 pounds, so 1.5 pounds that give you a total of 3 pounds. And also we also offer an 11-pound. That if you use a lot of it, is sometimes more convenient and price conscious for your wallet.